back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I achieve the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And yeah. And if you... I didn't even tell you what to do. And if you're located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below. Unfortunately, our giveaways are US only right now. So jumping into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced concealer and I just used that as a primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid. And then the palette that I used is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Volume 3. And this is what it looks like. The first shade that I went in with is the shade E3, which is this corally pinkish shade, and I grabbed it with a big fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I picked up the matte red eyeshadow in the palette and I picked it up with a defined angled brush and I put that shade a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye it frames my eye socket. And yeah, I'm just pretty much laying out the map for where I want to add depth in my crease. And then I went back into the shade E3 with a fluffy brush and I just went in back and forth motions and circular motions just to really blend that eyeshadow out. Next, I went in with the deeper eyeshadow. I went in with the shade E2, which is kind of like a matte brown, but with a little bit of a red undertone as well. And I just put that in my crease directly over top of where we applied the red eyeshadow. And that's why I like using a defined angled brush, because it just really lays out the map for where you want to add depth in the crease, and it just makes it super easy once you go in with that lighter shade. It's easier to add depth. And then I always go back into that first transition shade just to blend everything out, going in back and forth motions. And next I decided to clean up my eyelid, so I grabbed my Too Faced concealer once again and I just cleaned up the entire eyelid, and then I went ahead and set everything in place with translucent powder. And then I decided to add depth on the outer lid, so I went back into that brown shade and I actually took a fluffy brush this time and I just started to pack that on the outer part of my lid, fading it inwards so that I could have a really nice gradient effect. And the glitter that I decided to go in with is the Noel glitter from Violet Voss, but I believe it was limited edition, so you can just go in with any glitter that you have that's similar in shade. And I just packed that all over, and I used my NYX glitter glue. And then I wanted to add a little bit of a smoky liner where the lash line is, so I went back into the E2 shade and I just really packed that on where my lash line is, because I didn't want there to be a gap between my lashes and the glitter, and there kind of was a little bit of a gap. And then I applied some mascara on my upper lashes, and then I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Barbados. I'm always going to leave a link in the description box below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. And I want to quickly thank those of you guys that have placed an order on our website. We appreciate you guys so much. And then I went into the shade E3 once again and I just started to put that all over my lower lash line from inner to outer corner, just going in back and forth motions and really smoking it out. And then I went back into that brown shade, that matte brown shade, and I just focused that really close to the lash line. And then I went back into that transition shade one more time just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I just applied some mascara to the lower lashes. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.